How to use Instant Auto Insurance quote tools properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Instant Auto Insurance quote tools are fast and convenient, but most beginners make mistakes that can cost money and coverage. You won't believe how easy it is to get a misleading quote. The first mistake is rushing through input fields. Vehicle details, driving history, and personal information must be accurate. Even small typos can skew quotes or create coverage issues later. Another common error is focusing only on price. Instant quotes often show premiums without highlighting deductibles, liability limits, or exclusions. A low price could leave you underinsured. Many users also neglect state-specific requirements. Coverage minimums vary, and failing to meet them can result in penalties or invalid policies. Verify that quotes meet legal requirements. A surprising mistake is ignoring add-ons like roadside assistance, rental reimbursement, or gap coverage. Instant tools may hide these options, but they can be crucial in emergencies. Finally, beginners often forget to check renewal conditions. Some instant quotes lock you into fixed rates, while others adjust automatically. Understanding terms avoids surprises at renewal. To properly use Instant Auto Insurance quote tools, enter accurate information, evaluate coverage beyond price, meet state requirements, consider add-ons, and review renewal conditions. Doing this ensures a reliable, affordable policy that truly protects you.